Hi, Simply Sarah, made easy. I'm going to show you something really neat today. I am going to show you how to make faux embroidery sublimation designs or print designs. Super duper easy. Let's get rid of this. And it's going to be this plus this. That's all you do. So we can get rid of this plus. We can unflatten this once it selects. That, unflatten that. So we have all of our parts ready to go. We can get rid of that. And we can get rid of our text here. Okay, so now we're going to take this. We're going to make this bigger. And we're going to take this. And we're going to make this bigger. And we're going to take this and we're going to, let's see here, right here, curve. And we're going to curve that just a little bit. And then we're going to go up here to offset. Click offset. 0.045 seems to be a good amount for the offset. Click apply. Okay. And then we can move our shadow layer off to the side. Take this, put this on here where you want it. Select these two. Slice bottom right. And then you can take this and you can get rid of that. And you can take this and you can get rid of that. And then take this and take this and select both. I'm not sure what we have going on over there. There's something else, but that's fine. Take those two. Well, I'm not sure if with that, if it's going to allow me to align correctly, but that's okay. So we can try align center. It did work. So it was a ghost. There we go. That's all there is to it. And then with those two selected, click flatten. And that's it. There is your faux embroidery sublimation design on Cricut Design Space. Follow me for more cool Cricut tips.